Welcome to the 2.5 minute warning for Monday, the 28th day of August, 2017. Let's get started. And Bitcoin on the daily chart has had about a week and a half or so, correcting within this rising 18 average, as it's been spending the duration or the vast majority of this time lately up in the upper end of it, also within the previous high. So it's been about a couple weeks going sideways thus far. On the 1 hour time frame, another possibility for a very miniature failed breakdown, as it broke down this key support level. And the reason why I classify it as such, because when you make a lower low like this, you're generally expected to resist when you come to the correctionary phase. And maybe it might, because oftentimes you see the new low, you expect to come back to where it comes from and then roll over. But if it doesn't, that's where you usually get decent moves towards the upside. So I'll be interested to see how this plays out, but for the most part, it's been going sideways for several days now. The weekly chart, it's overextended after it's having this move from this last low, but at the same point, a couple weeks where it's been going mainly sideways, which loses the overextended value, thus can give you a reason, hey, maybe this thing can have a decent further gain, maybe well past this 5K number. But at the same point, it's also due at some point for a correction down to this 18 average. But you could have said it was due in here for it. Just because it's due at this time, it doesn't mean it's going to be now. Let's move on to Monero. We'll start with the weekly term time frame. And you've had some choppy moves in the early stages, down a bit, up a bit. But overall, we can see what was pretty much 2 years of going sideways. And when it broke resistance, this was a major single week, which followed probably a few days after that. And now it's been 1 full year of going sideways again. Now, what just recently happened, what is now a clear break of resistance. And at this 0.026 number, currently at 0.033. Therefore, as we head into the month of September, don't be shocked and surprised to see Monero become a very popular subject and have some decent gains, not necessarily guaranteed, but becoming more probable to do so, given that it has just broke key resistance. Take care.